Welcome to our journey through Albania's geography. Today we'll explore 25 fascinating facts about this remarkable country. Albania has a coastline of approximately 476 kilometers along the Adriatic and Ionian Seas. It is one of the most mountainous countries in Europe, with about 70% of its territory covered by mountains and hills. The highest point in Albania is Mount Korab, standing at 2,764 meters, which also forms part of the border with North Macedonia. Albania's average altitude is over 700 meters above sea level, making it a predominantly highland country. The Albanian Alps in the north extend over 90 kilometers and are the southernmost extension of the Dinaric Alps. The Albanian Alps contain Maja Gjezers, the highest peak of the Dinaric Alps and the second highest in Albania. The Korab Mountains dominate eastern Albania and include Mount Korab, the country's tallest peak. Albania's southern region features the Ionian Mountains, which rise sharply from the Mediterranean Sea, creating dramatic coastal cliffs. The Drin River, at 335 kilometers long, is Albania's longest river and drains much of the northern mountainous region. Lake Shkoder, shared with Montenegro, is Albania's largest lake, covering 530 square kilometers or 200 square miles. Lake Ohrid, one of the oldest lakes in the world, lies on the border between Albania and North Macedonia and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Albania's terrain includes fertile plains along the Adriatic coast, which are the country's main agricultural and industrial zones. The country has a Mediterranean climate along the coast and a continental climate inland. The northern mountain range features U-shaped valleys formed by glaciation, such as the Valbonne Valley. The Albanian Alps are home to some of Europe's southernmost glaciers. The central mountain range is heavily fragmented by glaciers from the last ice age, creating many natural lakes. The southern mountains are mostly limestone and have sparse vegetation, mainly Mediterranean shrubs and pines. Albania borders 4 countries: Montenegro, Kosovo, North Macedonia, and Greece. The capital city, Tirana, is located inland but close to the western lowlands. The country's coastline faces Italy across the Adriatic Sea, making it a key point in ancient and modern trade routes. Albania has more than 3,250 plant species, reflecting its diverse geography and climate zones. The country's mountainous terrain is home to wildlife such as golden eagles and lynxes. The Albanian Alps are sparsely populated and heavily forested, contrasting with the more populated central mountain region. The Ionian Mountains serve as a natural barrier between the sea and southern inland Albania. Albania's coastline features beautiful beaches with golden sands and turquoise waters, popular tourist destinations like Saranda and Kamil.